is Stimulus, and this is raccoon hunting with a nail gun, semi-automatic.
Semi-automatic nail gun.
Yeah, this is round number 2.
There's about 2 raccoons in here.
Let me show Slack. Fuck are you fuckers? Fucking dead. Fucking eat my trash. There's no way for them to get out. So they're in here.
Yeah, if they start running at me, defend me.
Nail gun.
What?
Just don't nail gun yourself.
Oh shit.
Yo, give me more slack.
Oh shit.
What?
Yeah, I almost dropped that mirror. I feel like I'm playing Doom right now. Because I got a fucking nail gun. Wait, hold on. Hold on, there we go. I got the nail gun in the camera. That's Doom. Eating your fucking Reese's Puffs? Fuck them.
Yeah.
Fuck them.
There he is. Oh, that shit. Oh, shit, there's 2.
I see him, I see him.
Motherfuckers.
Just fucking shoot, dude. Just fucking take him out.
You know what? Alright.
What are you, dual wielding? Dual wield. Did you get it?
Nah, I fired 2 shots at it.
It's coming out on the side.
Shit, is this working? Touch that.
Yeah, they're over there in the corner. I see them.
Fucking assholes. Yeah.
Yeah, they
My
got.
keys. We can get the pellet rifle too.
Yo, they're right there.
I know.
I see them.
You know, yo, get my keys. Yo, shut that camera off.